Installing your own Nomow lawn is easy for the competent DIYer. Using only basic hand tools or simple power tools available for hire at all good tool hire depots, you can create your own beautiful maintenance-free landscape. Firstly, plan your installation. Nomow comes on a roll either 2 or 4 meters wide. The grass has a directional pile, and it is preferable to lay the pile leaning towards the house or seating area. Step 1. Ground preparation. If you're replacing turf, the first job is to dig off and remove the old turf to a depth of 40 millimeters. You can use a flat shovel or, for larger areas, a mechanical turf cutter. Step 2. Laying the base. Spread a layer of sharp sand over the area to a depth of 35 millimeters. Even this out using a trowel and straight edge, and compact using a heavy builder's plank, or for larger areas, use a powered vibrating plate compactor. It's important to pay particular attention to this part of the installation, removing dips and hollows and recompacting several times if necessary. Larger dips can be filled using hardcore stone before sanding. Step 3. Laying the weed membrane. Roll out the geotextile weed membrane, overlapping any joints by at least 200 millimeters. This can be pinned or weighted in windy conditions. Step 4. Laying the Nomow grass. Roll out the grass in the chosen direction. It is very important that side-by-side rolls are laid in the same direction. Cutting from the back, trim the grass neatly near to size. Final trimming should be done by folding the grass back on itself and slitting the backing at 90 degrees to the edge every 50 millimeters to give you a guideline to cut to. Step 5. Joining. Side-by-side rolls should be laid 2 millimeters apart. When you are happy with the fit, fold back both roll edges by 200 millimeters and roll out into the gap the jointing tape, shiny side down. Apply the special adhesive from either tube or tub to the tape, following the instructions supplied, and spread using a serrated trowel. Carefully fold the 2 grass edges together, avoiding trapping any of the blades of grass under the other edge. Press the grass edges gently but firmly onto the adhesive. The adhesive will take between 2 and 8 hours to dry, dependent on the temperature. Avoid gluing in wet conditions. Step 6. Edge fixing. Pin the edges using 150 mm galvanized ground pins. These should be hammered into place on an angle every 200 mm around the perimeter. A nice detail is to turn the grass into a groove in the ground to hide its edge. An alternative edge detail is to spread a concrete layer, often called a haunch, around the perimeter. This should be approximately 50 mm deep by 100 mm wide, with a smooth flat top level with the top of the sand. Once set, the grass can be glued to this using the same joining adhesive. Nomow can also be fixed to timber battens or decks using 30 mm galvanized clout nails at 50 mm centers. Step 7. Finishing. Once the grass is trimmed to size and any fixing or jointing adhesive has fully set, use a stiff brush working against the grass pile to lift the pile and remove any flattening which may have occurred during storage, transport or installation. Step 8. Enjoy. Enjoy many years of your beautiful Nomow lawn. No mud, no mess, no mow.